Accessible column and kaleidoscope designer with Chitra, our voice assistant. Different options available for users: predefined column, upload image, draw freehand, kaleidoscope draw, conversational drawing with the help of our chat assistant, Chitra, and generative designs. Options available to download this image as PNG, for vectors, SVG. Now let's analyze this column.
Analysis complete. Your beautiful column has one connected components with 17 endpoints and shows lovely two-fold symmetry. The mathematical beauty in your pattern is truly remarkable.
3 aspects: technical analysis, educational insights, followed by visual analysis. Different manual tools to change shape, style, and color and background of the column. Now let's start with Chitra. Please start kaleidoscope draw.
Wonderful. Kaleidoscope mode is now active. You can create symmetrical patterns that mirror beautifully.